Hello Hedera Hashgraph Holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Hedera Hashgraph. This video is going to be a very important video for all of you. But my friends, before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Hedera Hashgraph Holders, now it's time to make a profit, so wake up now. And before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about cryptocurrencies market. My friends, let's see. First of all, we talk about the latest update, but after that we'll discuss the message. So now the Hedera Hashgraph latest price in the market is 0.21049 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price. And furthermore, if we talk about the price changes occurred in the Hedera Hashgraph, so now the last 1 hour. Last 1 day changes occurred in the Hedera Hashgraph is negative, except after latest changes. The previous last 1 week changes occurred in the Hedera Hashgraph is going positive. Just the latest changes of the Hedera Hashgraph is negative. But don't worry, my friends, everything will be okay. I hope that they will give you profit, not loss. They give you profit, not loss. Thanks for watching this video. Now let me show you the price chart. Absolutely, my friends, you can see here that the price jumps. And a lot of people are going to sell, but that is the biggest mistake for all of you. Never decide to sell, just hold it, my friends. My friends, now the special message for all Hedera Hashgraph holders is that please buy now more and more Hedera Hashgraph. Buy now more and more. I hope, my friends, you know what possibilities, my personal prediction, my technical analysis tells us that possibilities that in the August, in the beginning of a new month, the price will explode and you get profit. So buy now more and more Hedera Hashgraph. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe now.